Hey guys, Chicky Domain, aka DeBoa.com with the DeBoa.com surf forecast update. This forecast update effective around 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on June 21st, 2014. And if you guys saw our Facebook post yesterday, here's the next area we're going to be monitoring over the next 48 to 72 hours as a tropical wave now begins to move through the Caribbean. We'll show you that here in just a few moments. But here's this area right here. I don't know if you can see my cursor, but this is the area that we're going to be watching. Now, models had hinted that a small area of low pressure could move up through here from the southern Caribbean into the Gulf of Honduras and into the Gulf of Mexico, which would lead to some increasing southerly flow, hoping to build into some increasing surf for the Texas and Florida Panhandle beaches. When we switch over to the latest satellite infrared rainbow loop, you can see that there is some cyclonic flow in here early this morning. Now, one of the other reasons we're monitoring this is yesterday during the heat of the day, there was a big blowup of convective activity along the northern coast of South America. We'll have to see if that convection fires back up again today. Environmental conditions are currently unfavorable for anything to develop tropical in nature. But we're going to continue to monitor this over the next 72 hours where it could become slightly more favorable. Here's the latest surface forecast out of NOAA showing a tropical wave now just southwest of Jamaica and on a west-northwest track, 48 hours showing it approaching the Gulf of Honduras and 72 hours as an open wave over the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula. When we look at the wind shear remains high at 30 to 40 knots, has decreased about 5 knots in the last 24 hours, and some of the environmental condition forecast models are showing that the area in here in the YUKE channel and off the tip of the Yucatan Peninsula could become a little more favorable for tropical development in about 72 to 96 hours. So that's another reason why we're watching this, guys. Looking back at another infrared rainbow loop, again, you can see some deeper convection has fired up this morning, but with wind shear high, as these cloud tops reach the higher elevations of the atmosphere, the wind shear tears these thunderstorms apart. But this is what we're going to be watching, guys, so stay tuned for the next update.